Widespread nature of the universe. Scientists have discovered the prevalence of organic molecules and water in space. Traces of complex organic compounds have been found in many regions of space, indicating that precursor materials for life could be widespread in the universe. Resilience of bacterial life. Life forms on Earth exhibit the ability to withstand extreme conditions. For instance, some bacterial species can survive in harsh environments such as extreme temperatures, high radiation, and extremely acidic or alkaline conditions. This suggests that life in the universe could have a broader range of diversity. Connection of life with water. All known life forms on Earth are dependent on the presence of water. Therefore, the exploration of whether water exists on other planets or moons is crucial in identifying potential locations for life. Evolution of RNA and DNA. The evolution of RNA and DNA, the molecular basis of life, is a highly complex process. These molecules are specifically designed to carry and transmit genetic information. Understanding these fundamental molecules contributes to our comprehension of evolutionary processes and how life originated. Formation of the first cell. A critical step in the evolution of life is the formation of the first cell and the development of biological systems. While the exact process of how the first cell originated is not fully understood, research in this area provides clues on how the basic building blocks of life came together.